all our three teachers, not teachers, but the three gurus in true sense. That is Upadhyay Sir, Hardik Upadhyay Sir, Jayashree ji, Prashant ji. All of these people, they are gem in true sense. They are so natural, they are so effortless, their personality speaks. We know that for delivering the lecture you need a good content, but according to me, I feel whenever you deliver a lecture, a good person or a good personality is much more important. It's much more important, right? They are such. Without them, this thing would be impossible. This journey would have been a different thing altogether without them. The serenity in them, the equilibrium in everything, a minute understanding about each topic, very calculative approach. Tremendous. It was a mixture of emotional as well as practical performa. So it sees in this key they have worked really hard. They have taken Garbh Sanskar as their true nature, which is very much important. So what else I have to say now? But one more thing, if anybody is looking for a Garbh Sanskar teachers training program, Majestic training is a big yes from my side. You all should approach them, and thank you so much.